Change the way you clean with STAINMASTER Spray Mop. Now you can power your way through tough messes and grime. Everything you need to get started is included. Just connect the two halves of the pole and attach the mop head. Then place the microfiber cleaning pad on the mop head. Remove any protective packaging from the cleaning solution bottle and insert it into the dispenser. And that's it! You're ready to clean! Pull the trigger to spray the cleaning solution exactly where you need it and glide the mop across your floors for an awesome clean. STAINMASTER Spray Mop is safe to use on hardwood, stone, tile, or laminate floors. When finished, just toss the reusable microfiber pad into the wash. And when the cleaning solution bottle is empty, simply replace the bottle with a new one. Or rinse the bottle and refill. Don't stop at clean. Clean and protect with STAINMASTER Spray Mop for a thorough and easy clean every time.